Good morning students. In this video we will discuss few important questions, and the first question is, if A is to B is equals to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is given 6 is to 7, then we have to find the value of A is to 7. So here A by B is 3 by 4. B by C is equals to 6 by 7. Now we can see A, B into B, C. So A, B into B, C. Why we are doing this? If we multiply this, then B and B cancel, and then we will get here A by C. That is A is to C. So this is our aim. For that we have to multiply. So we have multiplied here, and you can see 6 and 4, it is divisible by 2. So it is 2 2s are 4, and it is 2 3s are 6. So it is 3 into 3, it is 9, and 7 into 2, it is 14. Hence A is to C is equals to 9 is to 14. Then this is also very important question. Here it is, if 3A is equals to 5B and it is equals to 6C, then we have to find the value of A is to B is to C. So first of all, 3A is equals to 5B is equals to 6C. We will consider it any constant. Suppose K is here. Then we can say 3A is equals to K. So A is equals to K by 3. Similarly, 5B is equals to K. So B's value will be K by 5. And similarly, 6C is equals to K. So hence C is equals to K by 6. Then we have to find the value of A is to B is to C. So it is A is to B is to C. We will write here. Now you remember the remark, if the terms of the ratio are in fraction, then we have to multiply each term with the LCM of their denominators. So 3, 5 and 6 is there. So we will find its denominator. And before that it is constant K. So it is K is common for everywhere, so we will take here is 1, 1 and 1. And now their LCM of their denominators is 30. So we'll write here 1 by 3 into 30, 1 by 5 into 30 and 1 by 6 into 30. It is in division form, and or we have to write in the ratio form. So we'll give here the symbol of ratio. So A's term will multiply with the LCM, B's term multiply with the LCM, and C's term also multiply with this. Then we can see 3 10s are 30, so it is 10, 5 6 ja, so it is 6, and 6 5s are 30. So our answer A is to B is to C is equals to 10 is to 6 is to 5. So basically what we have to do, we have to take this value as constant so that we can find out the value of A, B, C. Or also you can do, if you don't want this K, you also can take 3A is equals to 5B and it is equals to 6C and it is equals to 1. You can take this 1 so that you don't have to write, and directly you can go to this process. So you also can take here the constant as 1. So similarly, you have to find the value of A is to B is to C. Now, this question is very important. You must have seen this question in standard 6 also. But now here, the ratio is given in fraction. So divide 260 rupees among 3 students in the ratio of half, 1/3 and 1/4. So here also the ratios terms are given in fraction. So we have to first make it in natural numbers. So 2, 3 and 4's LCM is 12. We need to multiply with each term with this LCM. After that we will get here 2 6 12. So 6, 3 4s are 12. So it is 4. And 4 3s are 12. So it is 3. So now sum of ratio 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So share of first child out of 13 6. So 6 by 13 of which rupees we have to divide? So we have to divide 260 rupees. So we'll write here 260. And then whatever calculation is there, we need to do. Similarly, share for the second child is 4. So 4 out of 13, and third shares is 3 out of 13, and we are dividing this 260 rupees in this way. And then finally, after calculation, we will get here 120, 80 and 60. You can check your answer also. If the share of first, second and third childs, if we add, then it should be 260 rupees, because 260 rupees is the dividend here, and we have to divide this only. So as you can see, 120 plus 80, it is 200. 200 plus 60, it is 260. So yes, in this way we can divide. You can see 260 rupees has been divided among the first, second and third child.